Hello, welcome back to the Koja NBA. During the 2024 NBA Finals, Stan Van claimed that Luka and Kendall Irving are the best offensive backcourt ever. They scored 51 points and had 13 assists per game in the playoff, which supports his claims. But spoiler alert, they do not make the top 10 best backcourts ever. To be on that list, you need longevity and championship, not just talent. Here are the 10 best backcourts in NBA history. Chauncey Billups and Rip Hamilton. After losing to Michael Jordan in 1991, the Pistons struggled for a decade, but in 2000, Joe Dumars became their president and turned things around. He brought in Ben Wallace, drafted Tayshaun Prince, and traded for Chauncey Billups and Rip Hamilton. This backcourt's balanced shooting and playmaking, helping the Pistons win 55 games per season over 6 years. They made the conference finals 6 times, winning the title in 2004. Billups averaged 17 points and 6 assists, which Hamilton averaged 19 points and 4 assists together. They contributed about 40% of the team points. New York Knicks. Walt Sackle, Frazier, and Earl the Pearl Monroy in 1970. The Knicks won their first championship with Clyde and Centravius Street. They traded for Monroy in 1972, and after a tough start, he became a star. Together, they averaged 40 points and 10 assists per game, leading the Knicks to their second championship. Their teamwork earned them the nickname Rolls-Royce backcourt. Boston's Cassius Cousy and Sam Jones. The Celtics with Bill Russell won many titles in the 60s, but Cousy and Jones were the best backcourt then. Cousy was a star point guard known for his skills, while Jones helped win 5 championships with a great record. They are the winningest backcourt ever. Los Angeles Lakers. Kobe Bryant and Derek Fisher. Kobe and Fisher started their career in 1996. They won 3 titles between 2000 and 2002, and their bond helped them succeed. In 20 seasons, they won 32 out of 39 playoff series. After Fisher returned in 2008, they won 2 more championships together. San Antonio Spurs. Tony Parker and Manu Ginobili. Parker and Ginobili played together for 16 years, winning 4 championships. Parker was known for his speed, while Ginobili was a great scorer and passer. Their winning percentage is the highest for any duo in NBA history. Los Angeles Lakers. Jerry West and Gail Godrich. West and Godrich were a dynamic duo who made 5 NBA finals together. West was an all-time great scorer, while Godrich was also a star. They averaged 47 points in the playoff, making them one of the best backcourts ever. Detroit Pistons. Isaiah Thomas and Joe Dumars, the leaders of the Bad Boy. Thomas and Dumars played together for 9 years, winning 2 championships. They were known for their defense and leadership, contributing significantly to the Pistons' success. Chicago Bulls. Michael Jordan and Ron Harper. During Jordan's second three-peats, Harper was his backcourt partner. He was a great defender and adapted to focus on defense with Jordan. Together, they won 3 championships and formed the best defensive backcourt in the NBA history. Los Angeles Lakers. Magic Johnson and Michael Cooper. Magic was an offensive star and Cooper was a defensive specialist. They won 5 championships and made 8 NBA finals, making them one of the most successful backcourts ever. Honorable mentions: Golden State Warriors. Steph Curry and Klay Thomas. The Splash Brothers Curry and Tom changed basketball forever. They have 4 championships and 6 final appearances. Their combined playoff scoring average is 46 points per game, with the 6,003 pointers made. They are the best back audio in NBA history. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out our next one and keep watching. Subscribe the Koji NBA. Thanks a lot.